Scene 1. The year 2150. Dark futuristic cityscape. Neon lights. Flying drones pass overhead. The streets look cold and empty. Narrator calm, but serious. In the year 2150, books no longer existed. Every word, every story, every piece of knowledge was stored in machines, but deep inside the ruins of the old city, a secret still remained. Camera zooms in on a small girl, Maya, exploring an abandoned building with a flashlight. Scene 2. The Discovery. Dusty shelves appear. Maya wipes away cobwebs and pulls out a thick book. Pages flutter open. Maya whispering in awe. What is this? It's real. A small robot, Lex, follows her. Its eyes flicker nervously. Lex's robotic voice. Warning, books are banned. All knowledge must be digital. Maya, excited. No, Lex, look. These words feel alive. They smell like history. Scene 3. The Confrontation. Suddenly, large enforcer drones descend, red lights flashing. Drone, mechanical voice. Illegal object detected. Destroy immediately. Maya clutches the book to her chest. Lex steps in front of her. Maya pleading. No, this isn't just paper, it's imagination. It's the voice of people who lived before us. Drone. Imagination is irrelevant. Data is efficient. Scene for the choice. Maya looks at Lex. The robot hesitates, then turns to face the drones. Lex defiant. Correction. Data is efficient, but stories give meaning. Lex projects holograms of the books, pages, castles, dragons, adventures filling the dark room with light. The drones pause, scanning the images. Narrator. In that moment, even machines felt the spark of imagination. Scene 5. The Keeper of Stories ending. The drones retreat. Maya hugs Lex, tears in her eyes. Maya softly. Thank you. We'll protect them. Together, she places the book back on the shelf. The camera pans to reveal hundreds of hidden books glowing in the darkness. Narrator hopeful. And so, in a forgotten corner of the world, the last library still lived, waiting for readers who believed in the power of stories. Fade out with soft orchestral music. Title appears. The Last Library on Earth.